I refined another skill after replacing 6 posts. The posts were originally set on concrete footings. Some of the footings settled over time and the posts were in the air. It was time to make things right by adding galvanized adjustable standoff bases.
Getting a lot closer. That's a good deal. Another one down.
Building codes change over time from lessons learned and as new building technologies emerge. The metal post bases provide a 1-inch standoff, ensuring the wooden posts remain dry and structurally sound by preventing direct contact with concrete and ground moisture.